affairs were too much for her to handle. In addition, she wanted to be closer to her daughter in Renton so she could be with the family as her grandson grew up. As he grew older, Luella moved to California to be closer to her daughter and her 3 granddaughters where they were still young. After Luella sold her home in 2000, the neighborhood just wasn't quite the same. We missed her cheerful outlook. Her house was occupied by many renters who neglected the yard and came and went without so much as a greeting. The warmth of the home from prior to the sale was gone. Watching the demolition of Steve and Luella's house in 2019 brought us profound sadness. Looking out of our front window onto that empty pit where the house once stood was a symbol of the end of our happy times with the Zerr family. Once framing began on the new house, a renewed vigor came over us as we watched the house with a modern design take shape under the skilled guidance of developer Jeff. Developer Jeff was present every day, making sure that everything was perfectly put into place. He even allowed us to plant the time capsule inside the stairway. We are now looking forward to befriending a new family who will fill the new house with warmth and happiness, hopefully as warm and happy as is her family. Someday we will grow too old for our house, and a new family will either move into it or knock it down. And so goes the circle of life.